So I decided to take a new shooter to the range. As you can see, quite happily plinking away. And what a hidden talent. Now, let's see if you can see the target. If I can find it with the phone. There we go. You can see the just rest it on there. You can see the piece of paper flapping in the wind. We've got, see if I can find the range flag. There it is. As you can see, we've got quite a breeze going here today. But what a hidden talent. This is what she's managed to do. See if I can get that up so you can see the holes. I'm in the shade here, so it doesn't really. There we are, that's a better angle. Now this is all with an Anschutz 1761. More results. Some very nice jaggedy one-hole groups. And then the piece de la resistance. That bad boy. 5 rounds through that. I think she's really enjoying herself. About 300 rounds in.